go home and listen to this. Yes, I'm harassing, I know. Go forward. Softer hands, go forward. Leg, 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 leg. Squeeze, squeeze. Slow gaiting and racking comes from your legs and your hips. Soften your hands, Jen, and go. You need more go forward. Your hands need to be wider. Down to your legs on her. Down to your legs on her. Then now keep her head straight. Slide the bit through her mouth. Your right rein is long again. Sit down deep in your saddle. Keep your leg back underneath. Hop, 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 hop. Good. Now don't let her go fast until you tell her to. There you go. Good. Throttle, throttle. Don't lose her back in. See how you're out of gear right there? Yes. Okay, you need to bridle, bridle, push. Don't be afraid to take your leg and let it stay back underneath it and bounce it on your side. Yeah, but take your calf muscles and lift up into her body.
Oh, I can use my calves now?
Yeah. Rack it, you can. You can't hold though in the bridle. You gotta push up in your bridle, use it, and then go back to being soft. There you go. Use your bridle. Don't just freeze up there. If you feel her doing that, that means you're not doing enough in your bridle. Use both sides and cluck. Go. Swing her to the left a little bit and then back to the right. Leg, tap, tap, tap. You're doing too much with your bridle and not enough push to keep your go forward.
Right there, right there.
Yeah. Use your bridle, you're gonna